The Keystone Sanitary Landfill is located in the boroughs of Dunmore and Troop, Pennsylvania. Since 1991, the facility has efficiently served area communities while remaining dedicated to environmentally safe and ecologically sound practices in cooperation with the Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection. In 2001, Keystone became the first ISO 14001 certified landfill in the United States. Today, the Keystone Sanitary Landfill includes 714 acres of land and 7 miles of internal roads contained within a fenced perimeter with 24/7 security. Keystone employs 145 individuals, with payroll, benefits, wage, and sales taxes amounting to over $20.7 million per year. The landfill also impacts the local economy by spending over $32.5 million annually on goods and services. Operations at Keystone begin with the scales and stationary radiation monitors, which survey material headed for the disposal site. The landfill accepts only municipal solid wastes, such as household trash and approved residual waste from industries. No hazardous waste is accepted. The high-tech computerized scale system tracks and records all pertinent and required information on a per-vehicle basis. The scale processes an average of 6,600 tons of material on a daily basis. The Pennsylvania Department of Environmental Protection, or PADEP, requires the facility to monitor and respond to any radioactive material arriving at the landfill. Keystone makes sure all landfill transport vehicles pass through the advanced detection units. If any radioactive material is detected, it must be handled in accordance with PADEP guidance documents. The landfill operates its own maintenance and repair shops to service over 150 vehicles and equipment. More than 20 mechanics and welders perform 99% of all maintenance and repairs on site. Replacement parts, lubricants, fuels, and other needs are purchased locally, adding over $25 million to the region's economy each year. Keystone also recycles 100% of its used hydraulic and motor oil. The Keystone Quarry Materials Processing Facility prepares aggregate products from riprap to concrete sand. A modern and computerized stone crushing operation can produce 1.5 million tons of aggregate per year. 55% of the materials are used on-site for roadway maintenance, stormwater facilities, and double-liner installation systems, while 45% is sold to construction companies and PennDOT for a variety of local projects. All of the materials are certified by PennDOT. Landfill gas is generated from the decomposition of waste within the landfill and is comprised mainly of methane and carbon dioxide. This gas is collected through extraction wells located throughout the landfill. These wells do not interfere with the liner system. The wells in Keystone's gas collection system are connected to an underground network of piping that's tied to various blower skids that transfer gas to its destination. The gas is then distributed to CBI in Troop and PEI Power Corporation in Archbald. In total, Keystone landfill gas is used to generate electricity for 13,600 homes. Additionally, the flaring technology that is used on site ensures the destruction of excess gas if electrical energy facilities are in the process of repairs or maintenance. In order for Keystone Sanitary Landfill to accept waste into a new landfill cell, a number of tasks must be completed according to regulatory requirements and previously approved design submittals. Each landfill cell has a regulated capacity limitation as a result of an approved contour plan. Materials excavated during cell development are transported to the stone crushing operation. The base or subgrade of each new cell sits atop 70 feet of stabilized rock to prevent gradual caving or sinking of the land above. This includes using grout to fill underground gaps or voids greater than 1 foot resulting from the collapse of the former coal seams. To safeguard the environment, the base of each landfill cell is protected by a double layer of high-density polyethylene HDPE liner and includes a collection system that conveys leachate to an on-site wastewater treatment facility. All protective measures and development stages are inspected by the PADEP staff and inspected daily by an independent third-party certified professional engineering consultant. Before the next phase can begin, and before waste may be placed within the completed cell, Keystone and its consultants must provide the department with all of the required installation certifications and positive test results to assure that the pad is in compliance with the facility's PA/DEP permit. The Keystone landfill accepts drill cuttings from the natural gas industry. Fracking waste is never received or accepted. As a gas well is drilled, water is pumped down the hole to cool the drill bit and to bring pieces of rock to the surface. This material is recirculated until it is too thick for reuse. The drill cuttings, either processed by the driller or still unprocessed, are received to be solidified by Keystone. Currently, Keystone processes drill cuttings by adding lime to solidify the material, which is tested to meet PA/DEP regulations prior to disposal at the landfill. The top of Keystone's finished Logan landfill section offers a unique view of the landfill's proposed Phase 3 modifications. In the distance, you can see the height of the current completed layer. The Phase 3 adjustments extend the landfill's top layer to 165 feet above the current permitted height. But this would take place slowly, in stages, over the course of the next 50 years. Phase 3 solid waste will be placed in the valley between the existing completed disposal sites and the currently active Phase 2 landfill. In connection with the proposed Phase 3 project, but prior to and separate from Phase 3 development, Keystone will remove and relocate over 8 million tons of disposed waste that was placed in the Dunmore and Keystone sites between the 1960s and the mid-1980s. During that period, protective bottom liner systems were not required by regulatory agencies. The waste relocation project is among the environmental benefits that will occur as the result of the Phase 3 expansion permit issuance, and it will further guard against any potential groundwater impact in the future. These two older deposits will be relocated to active Phase 2 areas that contain the double liner system. The Keystone Recovery Station, operated by Chicago Bridge and Iron, or CBI, is a 5.2 megawatt gas-to-energy facility comprised of 7 Caterpillar engines that run on captured landfill gas. These engines convert the landfill gas to electricity that is sent to the local power distribution grid. Keystone Landfill's wastewater treatment plant is similar to a residential wastewater treatment facility. Through a series of physical, chemical, and biological processes, it removes contaminants from leachate liquids to below levels required by the pre-treatment permit issued by the Scranton Sewer Authority. The current treatment plant was built in 1988 and has the capacity to treat 75,000 gallons per day. Keystone is now constructing a new $6 million treatment plant to replace the current one. This facility will process the wastewater with state-of-the-art technology and have the capacity to treat up to 150,000 gallons a day. The Keystone Sanitary landfill has a proud history of operating in an efficient and environmentally safe manner. It provides essential disposal services to the region and looks forward to continuing to serve the needs of Pennsylvania and local communities for many years to come.